video, I'm going to show you how easy and affordable it is to create some Easter home decor on a budget. Coming up next. For this project, I'm going to use a Dollar Tree glass bowl. This is the $3 bowl. So I'm going to start off by removing the sticker. I'll be using my hair dryer for that. And once I remove the sticker, I still have some residue, so I'm going to use some glass cleaner to clean that off, and I'm also going to use a plastic scraper to scrape off that glue. And then I'm just going to add some more solution around the whole bowl and then just give it a good clean. Now I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree plastic plates, and this is from the Spring Fling collection. They come in a pack of 6. I love their scallop design around them. Now this plate is going to be used as a platform. So I want to make a round circle in the center of my plate. I'm going to take the glass bowl, place it upside down, and just make small markings around using a marker. And once I have the circle in the center of my plate, I'm going to hot glue some of this Spanish moss directly onto the plate. So I'll just be adding small amounts of hot glue and then placing small pieces of moss until I fill the entire circle. So I want my moss to stay in the boundaries of where I made my markings. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to trim off the excess. I'm going to be using these moss bunnies from Dollar Tree and also these miniature carrots. I'm going to take one of these bunnies and I'm going to hot glue it directly onto the moss. I'm going to do the same thing to the mini carrots. I'm going to place 2. The next thing that I wanted to do is elevate my bunny display. So I'm going to use this Dollar Tree candle stand and I'm going to hot glue the plate onto my candle stand. I'm only using hot glue because I don't want this to be a permanent hole, just a temporary hole, because I will use the candle stand for future DIYs. And now I'm just going to place the glass bowl over my plate, just like so. And then lastly, I'm going to hot glue this wooden knob at the top. And now I have this pretty Easter home decor. Now for this next Easter home decor, I'm going to use these 2 glass storage jars from Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by removing the lid. I'm going to paint them using some acrylic paint in this light blue color and a lilac color. I mixed these 2 colors, a red and light blue, to create a lilac color because I didn't have that color on hand, so I just mixed it myself. So I'm going to go ahead and start painting them using a sponge. I'm going to let that first coat dry and then give it a second coat. I'm also going to use these eggs, and these are from the Easter picks that they have right now at Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut off the stick and then I'm going to hot glue those eggs directly on top of the lids, just like this. And then I'm going to take 2 stir sticks and cut the round edge off of them. So what I'm going to do is create some bunny ears with them. So I'm going to go ahead and now hot glue them onto my egg. And now I'm going to hot glue the egg onto my lid. And now I'm ready to fill my Easter candy jars with some candies. Dollar Tree has these Easter window clings. Let me show you how I'm going to use these. So I'm going to use a glass vase from Dollar Tree, and I'm simply just going to add the window clings onto my vase. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead now and just hot glue my vase onto a candle stand, also from Dollar Tree. I'm only going to use hot glue because I don't want it to have a permanent hole. Next, I'm just going to slip in my candle, and there you go. Now you have this really nice elevated Easter candle stand. Now for this next project, I'm going to use an LED candle. and these are battery operated. And I'm gonna wrap some burlap ribbon around the bottom by simply hot gluing it. Next, I'm gonna hot glue these wooden bunnies, and in between each bunny, I'm gonna add these miniature carrots. And now I'm just gonna place my candle on another spring fling plate. Once again, I love these scalloped edges of these plates. Now for this project, I'm gonna use a Dollar Tree wire wreath. And I'm gonna use some more of the burlap ribbon, and I'm gonna wrap it all around. So I started it off by just adding a little bit of hot glue on the wire and then placing my ribbon on it, and then I just continued to wrap it all the way around until I was finished. So it took about one spool and a little bit of another one to cover the whole ring. Next, I'm gonna hot glue some moss all around the wreath, and I'll just do sections at a time. Once I cover the wreath completely, I'm gonna go in with some eggs. Dollar Tree has this Easter garland, so I'm just gonna cut off the string so that I can pull all the eggs out, and I'm just gonna hot glue them directly on top of the moss. I'm just gonna go around the wreath. And once I'm done adding all my eggs, I am gonna go in with some more moss and just fill in the areas that I feel that needs some moss. And now I have this Easter wreath, and it just took just a few dollars to create it. Well, that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye, and God bless.